Model TV at Nikki Beach for the Lavoka calendar search, and I'm here with
Jessica Lee.
Okay, Jessica, so tell me, how old are you and where are you from?
I'm 19 and I'm from the south. I go to Miracle Uni and I'm matriculating this year.
My name's Micheline Williams. It was my first time I've ever done a photo shoot. I found it an amazing experience. I've actually realized that maybe I wanted to do modeling.
Hi, what is your name?
Hi, I'm Sanam.
Okay, how do you feel about the journey of Lavoka?
It's funny. It's been lots of fun, exciting, and yeah, it's just very fun. Yeah.
Your name is?
Makato. Actually, I won't lie, it's being exciting. It's being an exciting journey and I'm still enjoying it. Even the photo shoot, I took my picture at Cocoon with the other model. Everything was sorted, the experience, I really enjoy myself. I still enjoy myself.
My name is Melchizedek van Freden and I'm 19 years of age and I'm from Benoni. Well, I've enjoyed it. It's been a lot of fun. It's very new to me. I've never done it before. I've done other modeling things like ramp modeling and all of that, but a proper photo shoot, it's been quite fun. And with a gold partner, it was new.
I am Sebastian Campos. I'm 19 and I'm from Joburg. It was quite nice. It was a thing that I never done, so it was a new experience. And I really enjoyed doing that, so I find it well. I enjoyed it.
Andreas today at Taboo. Andreas, tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm busy studying construction management at Tux, and I'm busy. I work at a construction company part-time. So, yeah.
That's really cool. So when you got scouted, how did you feel?
I was pretty excited but nervous at the same time. I was with a bunch of friends at Cubana in Menlyn, so it all happened there over a few drinks and whatnot.
At least you have the drinks to relax you a little bit. So, what do you think of Taboo? Have you ever been to this club before?
It's an awesome club. I've been here a few times, and after the revamp, it's much better. It's excellent. I love this club.
We are sitting with Sean. Sean, tell us a little bit how you're feeling today.
Feeling great,
Bit nervous, excited?
No, excited, not nervous.
That's good. And how do you feel about your outfit? Have you chosen your outfit yet?
I haven't even seen what I'm wearing.
First, we journeyed to Burata, an Asian nightclub set in Fourways, working with our 2 models for January, Bianca and Sebastian.
Where's your laugh? We're gonna laugh.
The next venue was Cocoon, where we shot our 2 models, Dimakatso and Andreas, for the month of February.
Okay, so we have just finished a shoot with these 2 beautiful models. Your shoot looked really great. How do you feel about it?
I feel great, Jay. I feel like I'm queen. Like you can see I own the world.
Yeah, I feel confident about it. It went good. So.
You guys looked so super sexy. And what do you feel about your outfits?
Very impressive. Like it's a nice style. It's like correctly chosen for me. You know what I mean?
Made for you.
Yeah, I love my outfit. It's really chilled, so like beachy wear. So.
Shows your sexy abs.
Hey, what can I say?
Well, you guys did awesome. I hope you liked the set and I hope you enjoyed your shoot. You guys did well. Thank you. Hi, this is Andrea Howell from Model TV. We are at the Lavoka shoot in Santa News Cafe. We are sitting with one of the photographers. Why don't you tell us about yourself and where you're from?
My name is Kevin. Kevin Mark Pass. I'm Joburg-based photographer, and yep, I'm the photographer shooting the calendar for Lavoka, and it's been going really, really well.
Okay, could you maybe tell us about some of the cameras and equipment that you're using?
I shoot with a Hasselblad, and it's a medium format digital camera, and basically we're trying. The whole calendar is being shot in black and white, so we're trying to give it a very classy, very guess, very Vogue feel. So very harsh lighting, a little bit of grain. It's very, very arty.
And how did you get involved with the whole photography and with the Lavoka shoot?
I was traveling for maybe 5 or 6 years, and in my travels I decided to buy a camera to take photographs of nice places that I'd gone to, and that was probably about 12 years ago, and as the years progressed, people just started paying me to take photographs, and now I'm a photographer. I'm not trained or anything, I just take a lot of photos.
So you're a natural?
If you want to call it that, yeah.
Good. Could you maybe tell us a bit more about your Durban shoot and maybe show us a few of your photos?
One of the most upmarket and exclusive venues in Johannesburg is Taboo, and this is where we set our next shoot with Kathy and Mark for November.
Let me know when I need to let it go. Sorry.
Next up is Nikki Beach, home to some of the biggest events hosted in South Africa. Here our 2 models for October were Sean and Roberta. Cafe Fredman Drive, set in the heart of Sandton. Here we shot Sanne and Bernard for the month of September.
We're going for 80 style. It's going to be a glamorous 80 style shoot. It's going to be amazing. We're going to have a French roll, beautiful hair. It's going to be the beautiful winged liquid liner look, red lip, beautiful cheekbones, glowy, false lashes. It's going to be very glamorous. We are standing here with one of the stylists. Do you want to tell us about yourself?
Well, I'm just styling for the Lavoka calendar at the moment, and really the idea behind it is quite sort of a Studio 54 idea and quite glamorous in its look. So we're just giving a couple of looks to the men. Most of the men are in suits, the ladies are in very glamorous dresses, and pretty much that's for the calendar itself. So yeah.
Andrea and Kieran were our two models that we shot for December at ZAR, situated on top of the Radisson Blue Hotel in Rivonia Road, Sandton.
And I'm from Smash Eventing. I'm here today at the Lavoka Calendar Search 2012. Taboo is the host for us today. We have all our precious and beautiful finalists today, which we will be interviewing throughout the whole day. And just my kind of involvement in the calendar was Lavoka approached me probably about 6 months ago, because I do have a marketing company where I run campaigns, and my idea was to do something different, something that hasn't been done before, and I came up with the calendar, which basically we were going to do a black and white style calendar and scout for people that are out there and should be famous.
Hi, my name's Maddie and I'm with Model TV, and we're going to be interviewing one of the models here. What is your name?
Zandi.
Okay, Zandi, tell me, how do you like to be today? How's the vibe for you?
It's great. The vibe is great here. I see it's starting to warm up now, so it should be great.
Do you come here often to Taboo?
Yes, I often do, and I often do a lot of display modeling for them.
How often do you come here?
I'd say bi-weekly, on average.
Your name?
Jay Butler.
Okay, what do you think about Taboo?
It's amazing, eh? Like, we're the host of the parties. Jay Butler, Johnny Katz will be hosting every Saturday up. And to come out on Saturday in Joburg and have something to do would be absolutely amazing. It brings Mick on Sundays and everything to shame. Gives you a caprice bar from Cape Town. Something really, really fun to look forward to every week, eh?
What's your name?
My friends call me Dr. Spike.
Okay, Dr. Spike. How do you like to be today?
It's one of the best clubs in the world. I'm a world traveler. As you can see, I've got my Cannes Film Festival on, but I party around the world, and this ranks in the top 5 of the world, guaranteed.
Hi, I'm Kylie Durbach. In the past, I've been to Taboo many times, but I can tell you now that from next weekend, every Saturday is going to be a huge party, and everyone's going to be here. It's going to be the vibe. You're going to start from 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We're going to have drinks. We're going to have a party. You're going to see everything's going to be flawless.
I just think this place is amazing. You guys have done a good job here. Beautiful people around. Beautiful swimming pools. Weather's great. Thank you very much.
What's your name?
Sabina Essa.
And how do you like to be? How do you find the vibe?
Unbelievable. You know, Chris has managed to outdo himself over and over again, and
yet again we see how he's progressed, and really, really glad for him. It's unbelievable, taking over everything he's ever done before. So very nice.
What's your name?
Elena,
Maxine. Karen. Okay. And what happens every Saturday at Taboo?
Johnny Katz and Jay Butler organising Taboo pool parties. So every Saturday we're going to come and join here.
And the Lavoka, my favorite thing is caramel. It's very nice. I don't want to lie. It's so nice.
I'll start off with my favorite flavor is chocolate.
Caramel, and it's an awesome brand.
Yeah, I like the caramel. And Lavoka is a brand. I think they're doing quite well. It's been a South African brand. I think they're doing quite, and they will go far if they carry on doing what they're doing. I think they'll.
My favorite flavor is the caramel, obviously.
That's caramel, that's for sure. Caramel all the way for Lavoka. I can drink it. I love it.
My favorite is the caramel.
Definitely caramel.
Live life, love Lavoka.
Live life, love Lavoka.
Live life, love the vodka.
Live life, love Lavoka.
Live life, love Lavoka.
Live life, love the vodka. Woo!